Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school tie. Start by draping your school tie around your neck, making sure the wider blade is positioned about 12 inches lower than the narrower one. This initial length difference is crucial for a well-proportioned knot. Next, take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end, creating the first part of your knot. Then, bring that wide end up through the neck loop from underneath, preparing for the next step in forming a classic school tie knot. Now, gently pull the wide end downwards through the front loop you've just formed, starting to give shape to your tie. After that, take the wide end and wrap it horizontally across the front of the knot, ensuring it lies smoothly. This step is key to building the knot structure. Finally, bring the wide end up through the neck loop one more time from underneath, setting it up for the final tightening. To complete your knot, thread the wide end downwards through the horizontal loop that's now visible on the front. Once it's through, hold the narrow end firmly and gently slide the knot upwards towards your collar. Adjust it until it feels snug and sits perfectly centered. A properly tied school tie should have its tip just touching your belt buckle, giving a smart and polished appearance. To ensure a perfect tie every time, avoid making the wide end too short. This often leads to a disproportionate look. Also, make sure your knot isn't too loose, as an untidy knot can detract from your overall appearance. Regular practice is key to achieving a consistent and neat knot. For school ties, the 4-in-hand or half Windsor are excellent choices, offering a smart and classic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.